Today's vintage Jell-O mold was a fail, but we're not letting that stop our fun. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today's vintage recipe, cranberry home tour salad from 1973's Out of This World cookbook, would have been the perfect choice for a tour of the Velveteen room, which is officially open for the season. But that poor Jell-O didn't stand a chance. However, drinks are still being served, and any tiki room tour requires a tropical libation. Here's a classic from 1947's Bartender's Guide by Trader Vic, the Beachcomber cocktail. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of light rum, 1/2 ounce Cointreau, the juice of 1/2 lime, and 2 dashes of maraschino liqueur. Blend with crushed ice and pour into a champagne glass. We were planning to show you cranberry home tour salad from 1973's Out of This World cookbook, but the recipe was a total fail. I have a suspicion that jellied cranberry sauce and frozen orange juice concentrate played better with Jell-O back in the day. However, the tour is still on, so grab your drink and let's go. The best part about the Velveteen room is that it's an ongoing project. Who knows what it'll look like in a few months? Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons who help us to produce the show. Be sure to tune in this weekend for a visit from your favorite cousin. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.